Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, I welcome you all. We are talking about India Inside Book. We have discussed economic survey in detail so far, the importance or the reason behind doing all these activities to empower small investor. How a small investor can know about the reality of our economy so that he need not to get dependent on anyone else. That is the reason. That's why BSc IPF and SEBI took this initiative, and they are bringing these sessions for you in simpler language. There is a separate playlist on our YouTube channel about the economic survey, so the investor who wants to know in detail about the economic survey can check out the YouTube channel. So far we have discussed about in this survey, we are discussing a report by Macquarie. It is a private company. We have discussed so far about the GDP per capita, when we are comparing our GDP per capita with other countries, then definitely there is a long way to go to China, because $2,000 is per capita in our country, where when we do a comparison with the China, it is approximately $10,000. So long way to go. Then the workforce in our country, government finances, that we were very much successful to reduce revenue deficit or to keep the deficit under control. Then the financial inclusion, yes, still 20% population is is yet to come in the mainstream. Increasing NPA is alarm, and digital dream of our country, the opportunities, information technology sector, all the topic about which we will be discussing today is energy. That what are the opportunities in this sector, and how a small investor or a common investor can take benefit from these opportunities. When we say about the energy, the retail fuel demand have increased approximately 50% in last one decade, which includes petroleum, means like LPG, petroleum gas, liquefied petroleum gas, then petrol, diesel. So the demand have increased 50%, but still it is very lesser when we do a comparison with the rest of the countries. Then the natural gas, when we talk about the natural gas, so there is a opportunity in Indian fuel marketing companies. We are not promoting any company, but yes, we can see the opportunity. When we talk about the natural gas, LNG, LNG is mainly used in industries to heat or to manufacture the chemicals, or in various plastic industries. So the demand of it have increased exorbitantly in last one decade, and now currently we are consuming approximately 64 BCM, and experts are saying that it will reach up to, the consumption or the demand will reach up to 100 BCM by 2025. But this is still only 7% of the energy mix versus the government aspiration of 15% energy. So government is expecting that it will rise up to 15% per annum, but still when we are considering that it will grow not 15%, 7%, then also there is a huge opportunity, or the many opportunities can lie down in this on these roads. Then when we talk about the electrification, that in last 20 years, approximately up to 7.5 crore people, the electrification, we were successful to do the electrification. Still up to 98% only we were successful to do the electrification. The companies who are working in discom, or the distribution sector, are having the opportunity, because definitely the demand will increase, because the consumption or the usage of electricity in the comparison of emerging markets or the developed nations is very less. The consumer durable companies are having the first time users are using the wires or the other material, so these companies are also having the opportunity. Then the renewable energy. So we are stopping here. uh, where whenever you do the investment, or we do the investment in specific sector or the company, we should do the fundamental analysis before. So thank you very much for liking our session. Stay tuned. The same topic is there in Marathi and Hindi. You can check out the YouTube channel. Don't forget to write your name along with the email address in the comment section. Thank you.